So we're going to do a little Rtic 30 versus the Yeti Hopper 30. Now both of them obviously quality ice chest. Just got the Rtic in the other day. Seems to be pretty nice. So what we're going to do for our test, we're going to put 4 pounds of ice in each ice chest, set them in the same exact spot right next to each other, and see which one will hold the ice the longest in the next 24 hours. So we'll go ahead and we'll measure out our ice. So we'll go ahead and do it. So as you can see, the scale's on 0. Get up here. Scale zeroed out. So we're going to put 4 pounds of ice in each one. Pour that in there. 4.01 pounds. It's about as close as you can get. Zoom out. Look at that. Okay. So we're going to drop that in one of those ice chests. Okay. Close that up. I'm going to put our bowl back on here. You can see scales goes back to 0. 0, 0, 0. Take another 4 pounds of ice. Okay, no water there. 4.04. Go ahead and zoom in a little closer on that. Okay. I'm going to take this ice, I'm going to put this in the Yeti. Alright. Zip it up. So we're going to carry them outside, set them next to each other. Now, I don't personally believe that ambient temperature or anything else is going to be a factor since they're sitting next to each other. Four pounds of ice in the Yeti, 4 pounds of ice in the Rtic. Going to let them sit there for the next 24 hours, and we'll check back and see, we'll drain all the water off, and then we'll see how much actual ice we have left, and we'll weigh that ice, and then that kind of gives you an exact science of how much meltage occurred. So we'll see you back in 24 hours. Went ahead and stopped the test after 14 hours. So basically we started with 4 pounds in each one. I've went ahead and just used a slotted spoon there, got all the ice out, put it in the bucket, measured the bucket, we come out with 8.7 ounces. So that's what's left after 14 hours with the initial start of 4 pounds. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the Yeti. Okay, so I've gone ahead and emptied all of the ice with my slotted spoon out of the Yeti. So there's no ice, there's just water left there. Put it on the scale, and we come out with 1.1 ounces of ice remaining out of the Yeti. Really barely anything compared to the Rtic. Both still respectable, but definitely Rtic seems to have held the ice longer than the Yeti. Both of them are sitting outside, same conditions, right next to each other. We'll say neither one of them leaked a drop, which is good. So they both compete pretty well against each other. But as far as ice retention, the Rtic did indeed outlast the Yeti when it comes to the amount of ice. Anyway, thanks.